Both teams, all players.
Okay, welcome po tayo sa aking Laglagan Nights portion. Second game for the day. Second game for the day now between this time around it's Airport United versus QR Projects. And afterwards po will be followed by In-Flights and The Hub. Congratulations also sa team QR Towers for booking the first semi-final seat sa ligang ito. Okay, both teams again taking now. Both teams again taking now final instructions sa ano? Congrats pa. Nice game guys, nice game. Nice game sir, nice game. Okay, they're now receiving now. Oh, di pa mo ito. Okay, both teams again, same earlier. Oy, si Munoz. Munoz, wala ka dito? Munoz, where are you? Wala si Munoz ah.
Nakashoot ko naman po. Saka yung ano.
Okay, both teams po, okay. Okay, game na po tayo yun. Okay, second game now nandiyo po ang Projects versus Airport United. Number 2 versus number 7. Okay, jumble muna po tayo, jumble. Wala ba? Siguro napagod din kayo. Pagod. Hindi gana naritik yung tao dyan. Okay na yun, pre. Bawal tayo. Okay, game tara, game. Playing blue po tayo, Airport United. Playing white. Nandiyan po ang team Projects. Okay. Lopez. Santiago. Lopez again. Lopez. No. It's number 11. Number 11. What a play. Woo! Lumipad. 2 points. Number 11. Nice game, Bin. CJ, let's go. Bilalaba. Foul called. Okay. Ma'am, sige po ma'am. Salamat po. Ingat po kayo ma'am. Game. Bilalaba. Kamikasi Kid. Bilalaba. Foul. Bilalaba shooting for 2. Foul number 8, Mr. Julius Babagay. Bilalaba shooting for 2. Number 99. First shot. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready. And after this po after this is In-Flights versus The Hub. Where na you? Dito na me. Second shot, no good. Paul. Barantes. Pops up. Okay, same ball tayo. Babagay. Inbounding. Babagay, power move. Dukot, pasok. Bilalaba. No good. Rabarante sa rebound. Lopez, ano mo na raw? Lopez. Lopez, Villalaba, babagay again, babagay. 2 points again, babagay. Babagay 2 points. Generosa. Generosa, 2 points, Generosa. 2 points, Generosa. 6-3 score po natin, 8-13 remaining. Babagay again, pops up. Nope. Rebound, won by the white shirts, Generosa. Generosa, binababa ang bola, Generosa. Canyeso. Villalaba. Huerpel. Villalaba. Villalaba. Huli. Santiago. Santiago. Barantes muna tayo. Barantes. Binaba. No good. Rebound by the white shirts. Number 2. Si Simil Lacob. Ay na. Simil Lacob. Nakapasok si Simil pala. Huerpel. Generosa. Ayun! Simil, 2 points. Magaling ang play nila. Lo and behold, nandun si Simil sa loob. Lopez. Babagay. Babagay. Malakas ang pasa. Please take note, wala yung Bisto Brothers. Wala si wala yung isang sentong nila. Tingnan natin kung habol sila. Villalaba yung Lopez. Villalaba nakulusot. Nako ni Paul. Villalaba again. Naipitan. Huerpel. Pops up. No good. Rebound by the blue shirts. Number 31 to Lopez. 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 Babag again. Pops up. No good. Huerpel. Number 2. Villalaba. Villalaba. Stop and pop. No, pinasa pala. 2 points. Number 2. Number 2, 2 points. That's Canyeso. 2 points. Lamang na po ang team projects. Lopez. Santiago. Lopez. Pops up for 3. Nope. Ayaw. Laro lang guys. Laro lang. Villalaba. Foul called. Wala pa.
Paul, that is your first personal foul.
Simil. Nawala. Santiago. Babagay. Barantes. Babagay, mataas ang pasa. Easy lang. 5:15 remaining. Nice one. Simil, nakuha ang bola. Simil. Pops up Canyeso. Wala. Rebound, battle won by the white shirt. Simil, nawala ang bola. Barantes. 2 points Barantes. Okay, change pipe tayo. Okay, Scott Eric Smith, number 6 at si number 18. Si Bala naman, nandyan si number 4, si Jain, si Mayo, si Lavarias at si Mayorga. O si Canyeso, labas muna. Pwede si pumili.
Okay, balik si Liberable.
Liberable, pinasok talaga. Dahil siya pwede mamili kasi. Okay, Jane, inbounding. Lavarias. Mayorga. Labarias. Jain. Jain. Pops up, coach. Escamilo, nope. No problem, no good. Rebound by number 18. Okay, binababa mo na Scott. Jong, Scott for 3. 3 points, Scott. Scott, 3 points. Okay, same ball. Okay, 4:04 remaining. Jain. Binabambo ni Jain. Jain against Jong. Jain. Swiped away. Smith. Jong. Eric Grama, naka-rebound. Imbang. Eric Grama, nakuha. Against Camilo. Smith again. Smith. Nice pass. Nope, ayaw. Smith again. Smith. And one playmate for Smith. Smith, 2 points.
Basket count. Foul number 25, memorable. That is your first personal foul.
Smith.
First team foul.
Smith shooting for the bonus free throw, number 3.
Free throw for Smith.
Oh.
No. Rebound against Smith. Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes, good morning. Hello. Ha?
Okay, no. Rebound.
Eric. Jong. Foul. Blocking foul called. Numerable.
Foul number 22.
Numerable. Called for a foul.
25. Second personal.
Wala pa rin. Sayang. That's Molina.
Committed by number 77, Jane.
Jane called for a foul.
First personal foul.
Molina, number 18, shooting for 2.
Molina. Shooting for 2.
Shooting for 2, Molina. 5-17. 15-17 rather. Molina. Kapos. Ano pre? Nice game pre. Maglalaban. Molina, second shot. Pasok.
Yes, sir.
Nice one by Smith. Smith. Kapos. Scott. Wala. Hindi nakuha. Hindi nakuha.
Number 6, Smith.
Smith, 2 points. Binato. Malakas, Escamilla. Pops up. No good. Good ball. Jong. Smith. 2 points, Smith. Good luck, good luck. Ayan nga eh. Escamilla, Jain. Foul, Jong. Tama na. Technical foul called. Okay.
Sir, okay na yan, sir.
Tama na po. Huwag natin yan. Focus sa laro, Pep. Focus sa laro.
Number 6, June.
Okay, huwag na muna. Di ko ito mapakita yan. Focus po tayo sa laro.
Okay, ano to?
Di makali. Bukang tama ka. Nagigil. Merong ano eh. Natalo sila kasi sa elimination eh.
Okay.
Tinalo sila eh. Elimination. Elimination. Itong si elimination. Yung unang 4 na laro, panalo niya sa inyo, tinalo kayo nga. Sunod-sunod niya yung top 4 ng last season, tinalo nila. Mayorga, tapos. Oh, unang 4 na no, nag 4-0, sunod-sunod yun. Sunod-sunod yun. 1 champion, 2nd runner-up, 3rd runner-up, tsaka kayo, tinalo nila. Sa lahat yun, tinalo nila. Oh. Ito medyo mas kumpara mas malalim yung bets ngayon ng AU kumpara mo sa puti sa para projects. Merong bad blood talaga. Smith 2 points Smith. Mayorga binabati ni Eric. Escamilla, Jolens, ayaw. Smith, naka-rebound. Smith. Jong. Escamilla. Jong. Nakalusot. Scott for 3. Bang! 3 points, Scott. Scott, 3 points. 57 seconds remaining. Mayorga for 3. Nope. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Mayorga muli. Isa pa tao. 2 points. Holding the ball. Hold the ball first, sabi. Jong. Molina and SG Eric. Inside. Jolens. 3 points again, Eric. Coach Lavarias. Mayorga. Escamilla. Pops up. Nope. Joe, naka-rebound. To Eric. Scott. Foul called. Penalty situation. Projects. Uy, ayos to ah. Thank you po. Thank you sa mga like po dyan. Thank you. Salamat po. Scott. First shot, no good. 11 seconds remaining. Medyo malalim yung bench ngayon ng Airport United. Wala yung mga ano. Scott, second throw. Wala yung Jose rin nila eh.
Scott? Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Jane, binato. Coach Lavarias. It's Jane for 3. Nope. Neparable, Mayorga for 3. Kapos. Shout out kay Dimakali, boss. From Manson. Tumo tayo. Okay, 29-9. Second quarter action. Ball ito po ng projects. Okay, si number 2 for the inbound. That's Cañeso. Cañeso number 2. Along with, of course, Labares number 19. Si Jay, nandyan din. Si Mil at si Generoso. Binaba mo na ngayon. Nilabas muna si Babagay. Pops up Cañeso. No good. Rebound by Paul. Semil muli. 2 points Semil. Semil 2 points. 29-11. Candol. Barantes. Oh!
Securing the ball.
Barantes. Barantes, traveling violation called. 9:24 remaining. Bilalaba. Bilalaba. Canyeso. Semil. Semil driving show. Na-swipe. Op. Teka lang. Okay, nakita. Yung hawi. Nakita yung hawi ni Semil. Okay, nice call. Good call by the referee. Candol. Lopez for 3. Look. Rebound by Paul. Paul, labas. Pasok. Nanakawan ng bola. Bilalaba. Against Candol. Bilalaba. Nando si Barantes. Nando si Generoso. Pops up. Kapos. Rebound by Lopez. Binababa ang bola. Lopez. Candol for 3. Kaldog. Jane. Nice drive by Jane. 29-13. Okay, 4-0 run. Been posted now by Team Projects. Candol. Barantes. Candol. Muñoz for 3. Nope. Jay naka-rebound. Si Daisy. White shirts. White ball. Ulib. Bola po ng puti. Di ba kayo, paano mo na? Share lang ako. Share mo na.
Okay, number 13. Pinasok. Nawala. Symbol. Shout out. Oy, Boss Renzo, nasan ka? Wala ka, boss.
Pull up 3.
Short. AU ball. Austin, hinihingal na. Kala mo talaga.
Lopez.
Stretching. Lasa.
Pass the ball. Step back.
Fake. Bang.
No. Rebound, Jay.
Behind the back. Nasa quick pass break. Here we go. Ay, sayang. Balik na yung charger. Hindi ako nagdadala ng charger, pre. May haram lang rin ako eh. Ito na, binababa na ang bola.
May nagka-message ba?
Wala.
Meron yun.
Puro shoutout eh.
Sino shoutout?
Sinadyaw.
Sabi dito, di makali, hinahanap ka daw. Nakapagkalipat mo, sabi ni Canton, balik mo daw yung charger. O yung charger daw. Sabi ni Canton.
May haram lang rin ako eh. Hindi ako nagdala.
Sabi, oy Canton, dito niya alam daw yun. Tumatawa si Canton, no? Canton, di ka ba maglalaro ngayon? Nasa Pinas ka ba? Ay, lipat naman. Akalain mo naman, puro lipat.
Luwar guy, hindi ni Colsic.
Mamahalig tayo.
Sorry. Halata.
Siyempre, trabaho. I mean, baka nanonood ba mabait siya. Siyempre, kapos pareho. Hanggang ngayon, please take note, wala pa rin pong point ang Airport United sa kwarta na to at almost 4 minutes. Wala pa silang point ngayon. Has yet to score. Lopez. 6:20 remaining. Paul, pumuposisyon. Lopez. Bilalaba, palpal.
Austin, baba!
Bilalaba. Canyeso. Jain, 2 points again.
Austin, next play.
12-point lead advantage.
Next play, boy. Tapos na.
14 shot na. Ten seconds, shot time.
Kilala ba? Palpal. Wala. Walang tao, walang foul. Sabi, walang foul. Barantes against Jane. Barantes, malakas. Candol. Munoz, sinabol ng bola, out of bounds.
Ready na po next time? Simil.
Oh, sabi ni Canton, no, sinagot ka.
Simil na.
Pinatawa ng bola, sabi nito, eh, di makali, hinahanap ka.
14 shot na.
Hinahanap ka ng kalipat mo, Uy! Wag nga yan yung trabaho dito, mag-helmet nga kayo. Mag-helmet nga kayo.
Kanyeso.
Kanyeso, no good. Semil, power move. Nawala bola. Okay, change 5 na tayo. Change 5 na. Change 5.
Okay na sir, okay na sir.
Sige na. Sayang yung film.
Sayang oras.
Sayang yung film ko.
Wala na your project.
Okay, projects ball. 5:01 remaining. Second quarter pa lang to. Mababang araw.
Anong araw? Dalawa pa. Sino ba umupo?
Ha?
Okay, wala na.
Kanina na looban.
Oh.
Airport.
Airport United ball. Oh, musok ang ulo ni Scott. Chill lang tayo, guys. Paluin kayo. Paluin ko kayo. Scott. Scott, naka-rebound. Scott. Naka-rebound, Scott. Ayun. Babagay. Number 31. Scott again for 3. Nope. Rebound battle. Labas para blue. Nice.
14 seconds.
Nice hustle play ni number 25 sana. Okay, ano muna? Meeting muna. Okay. Overruled. Call overruled. Blue ball.
Okay, correct the word.
Call overruled. Blue ball.
14 shot na.
Smith. Smith again. 3-second violation. 12-point lead advantage been enjoyed by Team Airport United. An 8-0 blast being made now by QR Projects.
Number 25, Bola 3.
Nope. Rebound. Molina. Ay, sorry, Lopez.
Number 18. Smith.
Camila and Smith. Smith. And one play. F1 may play nga. And one play made. Okay, finally. Score na rin ang Airport United. Mayorga called for a foul. Smith, number 3, shooting for the bonus free throw. Pops up. It's in. Okay, basket made. 4 minutes remaining. Second quarter na ito, di ba? Yung sinapapasigis eh. Hindi ko na ano eh. Sobrang bagal eh. Hindi ko na ano yung... Pops up, Mayorga. Wala. Scott, nagmamadali. Scott, Jane. Nope. Foul called.
Committed by number
Who's foul rep?
27.
Again, Mayorga called for a foul. Pushing foul called on Mayorga. 3:43 remaining.
Second personal foul. Smith in the line, shooting for 2.
Smith, first shot. It's in. It's in. Second shot, Smith. Jumpers ready.
Second try.
Both basket made. Okay. 34-17. Laman po ng 17 muli ang Airport United over the Projects. Oh, Taka Pintal. Oh, Mr. Taka, may sinasabi. Shoutout kay Captain ng AU, Julius Babagay, Team Captain Shohoku. Ha. Okay.
Mayorga. And pursue. 3 seconds by
Derang. Gano, yung free throw. Ano yung free throw, sir? Yung
Kailangan
free throw.
sabihin mo lang. Welcome po dito sa Aviation League po mga kaibigan.
Nice game, Bryce. Pero binigyan mo na magandang labang kanina.
Pagwasan nyo na.
Oh, ganda. Babagay. Oops, saan pumunta? White ball. Ang sabi ng referee, white ball. White ball daw, sabi ng referee. Labang po ng 17 muli ang Airport United. Escamilla, number 4. Escamilla for 3. Wala. Canyeso, 2 points. Binuhotang bantay.
Tagali yung safety, nakalit ko lang eh.
Go. Lumabo yata to ah. Si Canton. Si Carmona. Smith, no good. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Rebound Canyeso. Kanya naka-rebound. Scott, Chain. Double team, triple team. Hop! Foul! This should be a very long night for sure.
Number 31.
May naalala ko yung isa. Tsaka Sky Team. Dikdikan din. Jay, no good. Scott, naka-rebound. Foul called. Mayoga called for a foul again.
Committed by number 57.
1:50 remaining.
Mayorga, third personal foul. 14 foul, warning for penalty. 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Scott inbounding. Babagay. 1:49 remaining. Scott, kinuha mo yung bola. Scott. Nice! Ang lakas!
Ibabayo lang.
Babagay, naku yung bola. Smith for 3. Nope. Scott, rebound. Scott, ilalim. Ang putya.
Jai.
Jay, no good. Rebound, Babagay. Santiago, Scott. Okay, muli na, 2 points. $53 seconds remaining. Jain, 2 points. Sigurado na yan, 2 points. Good luck, pre. Good luck siya, pare. Good luck sa inyo. Babagay. Okay, that's a correct call, guys. Second person na panagbabag. Joe Gamit, shoutout out kay Taka Pintal. Taka Pintal, happy birthday from Rob Castor. Anong wish mo daw? Canyeso, 3 points by Canyeso. Canyeso, 3 points. Babagay. Scott. Offensive foul on Scott. Sayang ang film, grabe. Sayang ang film ko.
Okay, warning for number 27.
Offensive foul on Scott.
First personal foul, warning for penalty. Airport United, 22 seconds.
Airport United, 22 seconds remaining.
Jane.
Jane 36-24, laman muli po ng 12.
Jane.
Jane. Mayorga. Jane.
10.
Canyeso for 3. Offline. Kaldag. Escat. Mayorga.
5 seconds.
Out of bounds. And out of time. Okay, end of the second quarter.
Picture with a picture. Ha! Momento. Okay, third quarter start. Okay, meron yan. So very, very long innings. Dalawa. Tama. Dalawa. 2 shots given. Marami kasi ang Airport United. Difference, dalawa. Siyam. 1, 2, 3. O, sabi dito, Jabe Ilo, happy birthday kay Taka Pintal ng AU, Boss Martin. Okay, Billy Shen is watching. Okay, it's good. Smith. It's in. Okay. 37-24. Game. Third quarter. Jane.
Oh.
Walang finish na.
Siyempre. Napabayaan sa kusina.
9 players.
Jane, inbounding. Okay, Jane.
Score natin yung points.
Jane, number 77, inbounding. Okay, third quarter start. About to start now.
Jain. Olavarria. Villalaba. Costa Barria sa upo na. Ito na. Jain. Scott. Binabat si Jain. Enggeso. No, ayun si Scott. Uy! Molina, 2 points. Game lang, tara, game lang. Jain. Scott. Binas Canyeso. Semil. Power move. 2 points Semil. Power move. Power move by Semil. Okay. May message si Kanto na naman. Boss, pasabi kay Di Makali, nag-message daw siya ko. Eric, malakas. Holding foul.
Foul number 27.
Scott. Second personal Scott.
First foul.
Jain, lost the ball. Pops up, Canyeso. Bank shot, wala. Binato kay Scott. 2 points. Doon nilabas. Pinalaba, Jong, nakuha kay Generoso, pops up, no good. Rebound again, Molina, Scott na naman. Scott, 2 points Scott. Scott, 2 points. Villalaba, number 99, binababa ang bola. Jain. Canyeso again, no good. Semil, power move. Palpal. Pero may foul, sumabit.
Going to board,
Lopez called for a foul.
Lopez, that is your second personal foul.
Lopez, second personal foul, 13 foul, Airport United, 8 minutes remaining. That's very, very long. Semil, wala. Doon na laro. Yun lang. Ayun na. Salamat na lang siya. Second try, Semil, wala. Rebound, Lopez. Molina naka-rebound. Lopez, binababa ang bola. Lopez. Muntik na. Jong, Scott. For 3. Nope. Rebound, Lopez. Nope, it's Generoso. Binapat yung Generoso ang bola. Villalaba. 2 points. 2 points, Villalaba. SG. Lopez, Villalaba, hounding, Lopez. Walang tawag. Molina, malakas. Foul, Eric Grama.
Foul number 4. Eric, that is your first personal foul, 13 foul. Airport United.
7:18 remaining. Ay po. Okay, Villalaba, Jain. Generoso. Foul! No, it's traveling violation call on Generosa. 42-28. Lamang pa rin po ng 14 ang Airport United over QR Projects. Jong for 3. Wala. Jain, binabang bola. Jain, zigzag its way. Jain again, Jain. Wala. Rebound by the white shirt. Dalawa sila. Blue ball. Jong. Lopez. Scott against Jain.
Ball shot clock.
Timeout.
Substitution.
Sorry, substitution. Okay. Balik sa bola. Okay, kanto si Carmona, si Jepox, papasok na rin. Jepox.
First row QR Projects.
Technical foul on Pure Airport United. Rep! Rep! Bakit? Nangyari?
No. Sinaban, dalawa. Score 2. Issue.
Ba't dalawa? Ano ba anong kasa?
Ayun eh, dalawa. Wait lang kasi bawal na hindi na pwedeng pumasok.
Yes, sir.
Kaya may two siya.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, 42-29. Laban po ng 13. Ang Airport United over Pure Projects.
14 to shoot. Santiago.
Santiago. Carmona, Jepox. Babagay for 3. Nope. Rebound, Jane. Jane na naman. Jane pushing. Jane. Villalaba.
Alba. Pass to Maniso.
Canyeso, Jane. Semil.
Robin Chanda.
For 3. Wala, kaldag.
Rebound.
Jepox.
Number 12. Canyeso.
Canyeso. Jane, wala. Rebound Smith. Canyeso, wala pa rin. Hoy! Foul call. Kita ka doon, boy.
Number 0, Simil.
Semil, ng hawi.
Simil, that is your second personal foul. First rebound.
Ha! Santiago. Babagay.
Varian.
Barantes. 2 points Barantes. T-drop shot. Third drop. 5:05 remaining. Third quarter action. 15-pointed advantage by Airport United over QR Projects.
Jane.
Jane, shake and fake, pops up. Nope. Rebound by Smith.
Rebound Smith.
Smith, binababa ang bola. Barantes na naman. Barantes. Barantes. 2 points Barantes. Barantes 2 points. 4:33 remaining.
Villalba.
Binalaba, binababa ngayon. Binalaba, the lefty.
Simil.
Simil. Simil, number 0. Simil. Binalaba.
Holding shot lang.
Binalaba, Generosa. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Kick pass. Kay Barantes. Barantes, 2 points. Okay. And a timeout called by Pure Project.
QR Projects.
Yan ang larong gusto ko. Nasasayang yung film ko sa inyo. Nasasayang yung film ko. Lumakali. Lumekit siya. Lumakali. Lumakali. Lumekit siya. Ano na mo?
Kami Jollibee. Hindi nga, daway na.
Kung saan mo?
Kami.
Bakit? Bakit?
Makakain ka naman.
Okay, basketball game, 29.
4:04 remaining.
The third quarter.
48-29. Generosa. 13. Okay, to Binalaba again.
4:01 remaining. Bilalaba. Simil. Simil again, Pramino Rosa. Simil, top of the key, 2 points. Simil, 2 points. Simil delivering the goods for Team Pure Projects.
Babagay.
Babagay, Smith. Smith, kick pass, Barantes, teardrop, wala. Pops up, Bilalaba, malakas. Barantes, kick pass, Santiago. Nandos, Bilalaba, same ball na yan. Same ball, Bilalaba. Blue ball. 3:14 remaining, third quarter action. Babagay. Santiago, nope. Rebound, Jane. Jane na naman. Jane nagmamadali. 2-on-2, Jane. Jane, pinasa, naipit. Nandun si Barantes. Barantes. 2 points, Barantes. Enrosa. Foul.
Number 12, substitution. Number 12.
Number 12.
First personal foul.
Okay, si Paul pinasok na.
Warning for penalty.
Paul nagpasok na rin. Balik ng Twin Airport United switching now to Twin Tower combination. And afterwards is this. Pagkatapos po itong ball game na ito, will be In-Flights versus Hub. The winner of this game will face the winner of In-Flights versus the Hub. Paul. 2:42 remaining.
Dile Alba.
Brian Dwight, ano score, sir? Sir, 50-31. 50-31, lamang po. Jain, wala rin. Take 2. Okay, 50-31, lamang pa rin po ang Airport United. A 19-point lead advantage.
What is your second personal foul?
Jain, first shot. It's in.
Jane, first basket.
Basket made for Jane. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo.
Second try.
Both basket made.
2 for Jane.
2:27 remaining.
Babagay.
Babagay. Mali, pinasahan. Semil. Belalaba. Semil, nakapusok. Offensive foul.
It's a foul taken by number 99, Dile Alba.
Belalaba, offensive foul.
Dile Alba, first personal foul, second foul.
Babagay. Smith. Lost the ball. Nice stop. Bilalaba. Bilalaba na naman. Pops up. Naku, now this is Paul. Smith again. Smith. And one play made. Okay, sabi ni Mr. Akain, anong quarter na, sir? Third quarter na po, sir. Third quarter na po. Nandito na mga kampi mo, sir.
Number 0,
Simil, third personal foul. Smith, bonus free throw coming up. Third pare. Kanina, matigit ang laban kanina. 1:35 remaining. Jain. 20-point advantage. Hop. Jain. 2 points, Jane. Jane delivering the goods. Sabi ni Noel Bernardo, anong sports score, idol? Boss, Sir Barredo, the score is 53-35. Laman po ang Airport United. Third quarter action. Third quarter na, sir. Punta na po kayo dito, sir. Traveling variation code on Smith. 1:03 remaining. Jain for the inbound. Bilaba. Si Mil. Wala. Hop. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 25. Go for foul. Both teams warning for penalty. At 47 seconds remaining. Sayang, kala. Babagay. Ay, this time play. To Barantes. Hop. Double B ah. Super Raja na, double B. Jane naman, Jane. Jane pops up. Look. Rebound. Smith again. Again si Mil. Smith. Okay, foul on si Mil. Si Mil called for a foul. Si Mil, apat na. Si Mil, fourth personal foul, warning for graduate. Nubo na ako. Natutuyan na ako. Smith. Isa ako siya. Smith again, foul on. Patay. Graduate. Si Mil. Si Mil, 5 personal fouls, graduate. Wala, 5 na yan. Sabi nila. Okay, pinasok muli si Camilo. Si Camilo, pinasok muna. Si Smith. No good. I think this. Wala yung Jose. Wala yung Bisto Brothers. Okay, pasok na yun. Stepping. Sir. Si Phil, kung ba sa'yo?
May ano ba nung first game?
Wala. Ayos naman. Bila na ba 2 points? Hop! Si Daisy stepping. Ano lang, maganda yung laban. Nasilat. Upset talaga. Gumana yung 3-point shooting nila JD nung huli. Tsaka yung free throw naman hindi walang pumapasok sa overtime. Oh. Wala yung pulintan, sir. Okay. Tapos na pa doon. Wala yung pulintan. Di ma pupunta? Tapos na yun, no? Tapos yung Longgo League nyo? Tapos na, ongoing pa rin, Longgo League.
Ongoing sila ngayon doon sa may Cambridge.
Kabila naman, anong Cambridge? Hilal o Cambridge sa Albomor?
Hilal, yung dati. Yung dati natin
Yung delikado, may glass door dun. May glass door dun. Okay, your projects again, final quarter, start right now. Canyeso. Bilalaba. Please take to si Simil po, fall out na po If you're wondering. Camilo, 2 points. Camila 2 points.
Jones.
Fourth na sir, fourth na.
Bill.
Chain.
Jay. Rebound. Molina.
Molina, Lopez. Molina again, Dukot, wala, malalim. Scott. Camila, no good. Rebound by Joe. No, Villalaba. 2 points. Fake yung paint jump. 9:03 remaining. 56-41. 50-point lead advantage by AU, Airport United. Jong. Pops up. Molina. Wala. Rebound Scott. Canyeso. Villalaba. 2 points again. Jump. And a timeout call. Walang pato. Wala yung Bisto. Wala yung Jose. Wala yung... May isa pang legit na center din. Yung may balbas dito. Wala rin yun. Kaya medyo cool na sila. Playing underhand sila ngayon. Nakapakasyon din yung Bisto Brothers eh.
Back to the ball game, remaining 9 in 38 seconds.
Lopez. Scott naman. Jong.
Holding shot na.
Foul.
All number 6, John. That is your third personal foul.
Jong. Third personal pa po ni Jong. Canyeso, number 2. Okay, Jong against Mr. Villalaba. Parang shooting sa Villalaba. Canyeso for 3. Offline. Good ball. Molina. Molina nga. 2 points Molina. 2 points Molina. Camila. 2 points. Villalaba. Si Trapal pala. Sa kabila pala si Trapal. Lopez.
Holding shot na.
Molina. No good. Rebound Smith. Wala pa rin. Smith 2 points. Okay, the leaping of Bill Smith is getting evident. Okay, 60-45. Laman po na 15. Camila. Kaldog. Scott, kumuha ng bola. Scott, 2 points. Pops up. Canyeso naka 3 points. 3 points Canyeso. Molina. Malakas. Smith. Malalim. Villalaba. Canyeso again. For 3. Nope. Lopez. Scott again. Scott 2 points. Scott 2 points. Yan, ano to? Joe naka-rebound. Nakakuha ng bola. Lopez. Malakas ang pasa. Pabagay. Pumasok muna para kay Jong. 6:02 remaining. 68-4, 48. Nice pass. Canyeso, 2 points. Canyeso, 2 points. Babagay. Lopez. Kapos. 5:35 remaining. Jane. 2 points, Jane. Pag ginanin nyo, papapal content pa yun. Tama yun. Okay, Babagay. 5:22 remaining. Barantes, position na rin para pumasok. Babagay to Scott. Scott, thinking 3. Scott, nawala ang bola. Scott, wala. Kapos.
Number 77, James. Substitution. James, that is your second personal foul. First foul. For Fredericks.
Scott. No good. Scott, second throw. Jumper ready. 5:10 remaining. It's in. Basket made. 5:10. Canyeso, thinking 3. Ayaw. Bilalaba. Bilalaba, Canyeso. Nawala ang bola. Kaya Scott tapon ng bola. Scott. 2 points si Scott. Scott, 2 points. 67-52. Labang na 15. 4:38 remaining. Canyeso. Canyeso, Rajain, why the sky play made? Barantes. Scott, 4:19 remaining. Scott, nakalusot. Nice one, nice. And the sky play made also. Bilalaba. Okay, Escamilla. Bilalaba, wala. Good ball. Bulina, nakuha yung bola. Smith. Uy! Offensive foul made. Technical foul. Technical foul also called.
Hang out. Airport United. Offensive foul number 3. Technical foul number 3.
Okay, technical foul called on Smith, number 3. Technical free throw. Technical free throw on P Projects. Soldier ka lang. Jane, technical free throw. It's in. Okay, good. Inbounding ngayon si Jane. 3:42 remaining. Vilaba. 69-55. Canyeso for 3. Nope. Nakuha. Jepox. SG. 3:22 remaining. Jepox for 3. Wala. Canyeso. Bilalaba. Bilalaba. Nice touch pass. 2 points na yan. Nice passing made. Touch pass. 2:53 remaining. Eric, babagay. For 3. Offline. Jepox. For 3. Wala pa rin. Sanyeso, Bilalaba. Wala. Barantes. Wala. Asher James is watching. Sir Arisil is watching also. Nice one by Barantes. Nice steal. Molina. Dako, kinalabas. Last 2 minutes. Canyeso. Hop. Carmona holding foul. Jepox, Carmona holding foul. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Walk in the park na to. Ayan, pwede na to. Barantes. Babagay. Eric. Thinking 3. Kapos. Isa pa, babagay. Okay. Behind the sky play. Technical foul. Babagay called for the technical foul. And taunting. Ang puta ng naglalaro to. Sayang yung film ko, sa totoo lang. Taunting. Wala. Okay, back. Balik muli po din sa puti ang bola. Sayang yung film ng camera ko. Sayang yung... Oh, good luck pare ha. Matindi laban nyo. Busy ka. Ilang laro yung skip mo?
Lahat. First game lang.
Oh, yun.
Talo pa.
Kaya importante, nakapaglaro ka, nakaano ka sa ano sa regulation. May trabaho.
Patok.
Canyeso, no, Bilalaba, foul called. Okay, 1:02 remaining.
Foul number 13. Penalty.
Penalty situation, guys, safety passing na lang tayo. 1 minute na lang to. Safety passing na lang tayo.
Time 1 minute and 2 seconds.
Wala. Second shot, jumper siya pa kay Bilalaba, number 99. Boy in just watching. Hoy! Bawal yun. Oh, shot clock na lang. Safety basket.
Golden shot na.
Paul.
Ball.
Malakas. Bilalaba.
Ili Alba.
Okay, 2 points Bilalaba. 40 seconds remaining. Barantes. Ayaw. Eric.
Golden shot na.
Barantes. No good. Bilalaba na naman. Malakas.
15 seconds.
Okay, that's it. I believe so. Wala na yan.
10 seconds.
Safety basket na yan. Okay, that's it. And welcome to the finals. Welcome to the semifinals. Team Airport United. Okay, final score 71-59. Welcome to the semis. Team Airport United. Maraming salamat. Coming up next po is a game between Hub versus, ano po natin yan, In Flights.